invoice option, as you are entering procedures into the system, it will automatically calculate the price for each item or service according to branching and all the termination plus exceptions. Everything is taken account. However, there is an option where the user, either when using the macros or DCSs, have the chance and ability to, on the fly, adjust the unit price for the entry. To do that, first the user account has to be set with certain properties. Otherwise, regular users will not see this text box available for price adjustments on the fly. To do that, the administrator of the system, right-click on the first level tab, go to the menu, Tools, Data, and Professionals. Open in a new tab. Wait for that form to pop up. Grab the name of the user that you want to adjust. So for example, let me grab this particular, let me see one user here that is a good option. Yes, this is a good option. This is the area you should review. In order for you to do the price change on the fly, discounts allowed must be any discount. Otherwise, when you go back to that pricing change, this text box will not show. Basically, the administrator just have to pick one of the account, like this one. It has to be set discounts allowed and any discounts. As soon as you make that change, hit save, and the user, it would be nice if the user log off and log in again. And the next time you log in, you should be able to use the price change on the fly. For the administrator, make sure that the entire information is filled up correctly. Otherwise, the system, like email address and text message phone number, are required, as well as the professional field and professional types. Finished the discount, just save the form, and you should be able to proceed with your data entry and price change on the fly. Thanks for watching.